So I'm gonna get this thing out since nobody's here to work on anything today. Being a little neglected. I got the battery charging up right now. Probably need a new one. It's pretty dirty. I'm gonna at least wash it, maybe drive it around a little bit, see what's up, and yeah, I got to address check valve in my fuel pressure system. It loses pressure as soon as the pump turns off. So I think check valve went bad, but yeah, it's pretty dirty from sitting. I guess that's what happens. It smells like an animal died in it, and yeah, it's pretty dirty. So let me see if I can get this thing out. We're at electric water pump. Key's gonna fight me in. We got fuel. See if she'll turn over. It's been a while. Oh, look at that. Alright, we're live. It's idling on its own. I gotta get that tack working. I'm gonna get this pulled out. No power steering, so it's gonna be a fight out. So I'll be right back. Yeah, it's alive. Gotta put some air in that tire. And yeah, I think I'll wash it. It needs it a little bit, but there it is. I think the electric water pump's working. One way to find out. Don't see the water moving. That's an awesome sign. So let's see if Davy Craig's failed me. I always thought they were supposed to pulse at idle. I'm going to address this real quick. Well, it looks to be working. Pulsating anyways. Water is moving. Water stopped moving. It's washed. First time in probably 2.5 years. Yeah, I neglect this thing horrible, even though it's like most fun car to drive. But it is a driver. The paint is horrible on it. But that's what's going to happen when it's painted by a bunch of high schoolers with enamel. Little background on this. This was actually a shop car in Gloversville High School. Years back. I bought it with as a roller. It had a 302 Ford V8 in it. I converted it back to Rotary, obviously. 13 BRE out of a Cosmo years ago, and it's been a fun car. Never really failed me at all. It's seen 30 plus pounds of boost. I've been waiting to break the rear end, but it's been holding up pretty good, probably due to having a little bit smaller tire on it. I do plan on putting probably 17s, probably 17 by 13 in the rear and 17 by 10 in the front at some point. I do have full FC spindles and brakes and all that in this thing. 5-lug all the way around. Most people don't even notice that, even though this is supposed to be a 4-lug car. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it dry off a little bit to probably vacuum it out and see if anybody shows up. If not, go for a ride. hit the road this year. We took it easy on it a little bit. Ran it maybe 12 pounds of boost, if that. Fun.
Always puts a smile on your face.
Yeah, it's a fun car. And it's pretty bad that I neglect it as bad as I do. So that's it for this thing for now. Until we start working on it again sometime. Do something, change turbo. Stud the motor, run more boost. Break the rear end, transmission, whatever.